Like as the culver on the buried bough sits mourning for the absence of her mate, and in her songs sends many a wishful vow for his return that seems to linger late. So I alone now, left disconsolate, mourn to myself the absence of my love, and wandering here and there all desolate, seek with my plaints to match that mournful dove. The joy of aught that under heaven doth hove can comfort me, but her own joyous sight, whose sweet aspect both God and man can move, in her unspotted pleasance to delight. Dark is my day, while her fair light I miss, and dead my life that wants such lively bliss.